Hi, my name is Barbara. In this video, I'll show you how to create and verify your tax setup using the Tax Configuration Workbook. We'll begin by navigating to the Setup and Maintenance work area and search for the Defined Taxes for Rapid Implementation task list. I'll expand the task list and select the Manage Tax Regimes task. I want to use Rapid Setup Spreadsheets. Let's download the Tax Configuration Workbook and save it in my local folder. I'll open the workbook. Some worksheets are hidden, so I'll unhide them. I've updated the workbook with my setup data and saved it. Let's look at some of the worksheets. We'll use the predefined tax regimes. Here, you can modify or delete any of the predefined tax regimes. You can also update or delete any of the predefined taxes for your country. On the Manage Rates worksheet, you can prepare your tax rates. And you can use the Tax Recovery Rates worksheet to prepare your recovery rates. Now, I'll create a CSV file that's required for uploading the setup data. If the Generate CSV button isn't active, I would have to enable my macro settings. I'll save the CSV zip file in my local folder. Now, I'll upload the Tax Configuration Workbook zip file. We'll use the process ID to track the upload status. Let's check the upload status. Yay! Our upload was successful. You have the option to enable taxes for simulation or transaction. Taxes aren't enabled automatically when created from a spreadsheet upload. As a best practice, first enable a tax for simulation only, then use the Oracle Tax Simulator to test. I'll search for my tax. Next, I'll edit the tax and enable it for simulation. When I've tested my tax, I'll enable it for transaction processing. We can't modify the tax setup once the tax is enabled for transactions. Let's verify if the tax regimes are associated with the correct tax rates after uploading the Tax Configuration Workbook. I'll search for the tax regime code and tax jurisdiction code as specified in the Tax Configuration Workbook. Success! The tax regime is associated with the correct tax rate as specified in the workbook. You can repeat the steps to verify if all of the tax regimes uploaded through the configuration workbook are associated with the correct tax rates. Thank you.